what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. And I'm your host P-Fire, aka Peas and Carrots, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bear Creps. You know how we do it, so let's do it. We're going to drop it like it's hard, drop it like it's hard. You see the dust on there? I need to bloody... I just pulled this out of the abyss, you know what I mean? You see what it is. Adidas green box here again. Since we did the other one, thought I'd show you another Adidas equipment. You know we take it out, we put it on, we do that, we give you the twirl to the RJ, you know what I mean? Something a little different, you know. We don't jump on waves, man, we beam the wave, you know what I mean? Buy what we want when we want. That's not true, not when we want, you know. If only. But yeah, right foot, let's do it. Alright, so guys, this is the Adidas Equipment 2/3 2/3 F15 Athletic. Jeez. Hold on. It's that. Anyway. So guys, let's start with the crop circle. You know what I mean? You've seen I've worn these in the field. They've been in the field. Look at that crop circle. You've got the partition of that sort of forest green right there. Not forest green, I'd say khaki green. You've got that black, and that's intersected by the white boost sole. As you can see, the midsole right there, that is that boost material. Look at that squishy, squish. So giving you that extra bounce and support and comfort as you are going about your athletic endeavors. Cool, let me just step back. Of course, you see the upper right there. It's 2 parts of the upper. You've got that nice sort of mesh. I think that's a prime knit. It might be a prime knit, you know. Around this time Adidas were going crazy with the old prime knit, so it might be a bit of the old primage, a bit of that knittage, and then of course you've got that more solid bit right there, that sort of rubberized or plasticized waves right there, going all the way around. You see that right there, and then it follows all the way through, and then of course going back you see these kind of like grooves, you know, kind of remind me for some reason of the Shaq Reebok, I don't even know, but yeah. So you got that bit that's like a kind of material-y bit, kind of like a sort of neoprene material right there. That's more solid, plasticized. You see at the back you've got that sort of heel tab and heel pull, helping you to, you know, put the shoe on easily, and that says Adidas right there. Of course, going all the way around, and you've got some more of that neoprene kind of body right there. Looking at the laces, as you can see, it's not even. You see the design, that sort of bit goes up, that bit sort of comes over. It's kind of like a funky ass design, you know, a bit acronym, would you say? Very, very nice. Of course, you've got these sort of thin leather style laces. Very nice, very, very nice. What more? If you look at the tongue, like it's made of, again, look, it's material, so it's not really a tongue. It's kind of like, you know, you're just kind of easy access for your foot. Just slide it in and you're good to go. You've got a leather trefoil right there, which is interesting because these are Adidas equipment, but they actually have the trefoil, which is quite interesting. They don't have the Adidas equipment slanted mountain logo. Again, you've got some really nice leather here. That panel there, super nice leather, and of course it's perforated, but really, really nice leather. Super, the quality in the that leather's obviously at the back, super soft, super soft. The quality on these shoes were I mean, are amazing. I remember I bought this and I was like, I'm only gonna wear these for the rest of my life. I never did end up getting another pair, but yeah, really dope shoes, super comfortable. I'm actually gonna bring these out and start wearing them, you know, for what they're made for, like athletics, you know. I'm not doing any running or steeplechasing, but I am in the gym, so, you know, a nice comfy pair of shoes, you know, rather than, you know, everything has to be kept in a box or whatever. But yeah, the beast sole, really dope. Nice. Guys, let me know what you think. And again, these are so comfortable, super comfortable, just super comfortable. I don't think you can see in there, but it just says Adidas on a black bed. yeah, really nice pair, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm just going to be showing you some different stuff. I've got a whole bunch of stuff that isn't just, you know, Adidas Special, or, you know, or Nike. You know, I've got a whole bunch of stuff that is different, you know. So I've been into crepes for a very long time, so, you know, I've picked up little bits here and there. So, you know, as I've shown, if you watch through the crepe videos, there's different, a smorgasbord, an array of different kind of things. So go back, have a little look, yeah, and yeah, indulge and gorge on the goodness that I provide. Remember, gluttony is a bad thing. Anyway, guys, this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Crepes. I've been your host, P5, aka P is for perforation, and this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into at the end. Guys, stay dope, stay fly, be well, look after yourselves and each other, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Alright, gang, peace.